I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Ford Ranger faster. First, consider upgrading your air intake system. A cold air intake allows your engine to breathe more efficiently, drawing in cooler, denser air. This can lead to a noticeable increase in horsepower and torque, often by 5 to 10 horsepower. It's a straightforward modification that many enthusiasts can complete in about an hour with basic tools, providing an immediate performance boost for your truck. Next, let's talk about performance tuners, also known as engine programmers. These devices plug into your Ranger's diagnostic port and remap the engine's computer for better performance. You can often see gains of 15 to 20 horsepower and 20 to 30 pound-feet of torque. Tuners can optimize fuel delivery and ignition timing, giving you quicker acceleration and a more responsive pedal feel. It's a fantastic way to unlock hidden power without opening the engine. Another effective and relatively easy upgrade is a performance exhaust system. A less restrictive exhaust allows your engine to expel spent gases more efficiently, reducing back pressure. This can free up an additional 5 to 10 horsepower and improve your truck's overall sound. Look for catback systems, which replace everything from the catalytic converter back. Installation can typically be done in a few hours, offering a great blend of performance and an aggressive exhaust note. Finally, don't overlook the importance of regular maintenance and weight reduction. Fresh spark plugs, a clean air filter, and proper fluid levels ensure your engine runs at its best, maximizing its existing power. Additionally, removing unnecessary items from your truck bed or cabin can slightly improve your power-to-weight ratio, making your Ranger feel quicker. Even lighter wheels can reduce rotational mass, leading to better acceleration. These simple steps collectively contribute to a faster, more responsive Ford Ranger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.